So one thing I'd love to know is what is your favorite thing about hosting, and it could be the same for both of you or both different. What are you enjoying about this hospitality journey that you've kind of set out on?
Well, one thing is it's kind of given us a really new fun thing to do together
Right.
as a team. But I really enjoy making people happy, and I love providing a place where I know people could enjoy themselves and relax and have a great time together.
And this has been a fun adventure. We've been dreaming about kind of launching into short-term rentals for a while, but this has really given us a vision for the next chapter of our life, because I think this is, as a couple, this is something we're very complementary in
Right.
the things we bring to the table. So I would probably, just in terms of what we enjoy about it, is it's the same. It's working together. That's certainly a piece of it. Kids
Bit
were
of
out
that.
in the
Yeah.
process of doing what we're doing.